Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing dun 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 dun. I'm so excited. I was getting ready and I was gonna film today and I heard my doorbell ring. I go outside and this was on my doorstep. So we're gonna be doing this one today. This is Ricky's NYC and this is the February box. Now Ricky's NYC is a monthly subscription. I'm sorry, Ricky's NYC is a store, a makeup store, and Cult Crushes is their monthly subscription. It is $11 a month and this is what the box looks like. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Almost done. Dun, 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 dun. All right, here we go. I think we are done. So let's open this bad boy up. Dun 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 dun. Oh, so this is what it looks like inside. Dun, dun. There's like a little plastic covering on here. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's just a little bag. And it says, ooh, let me show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Dun, dun, dun. So right on top is the little card. It shows you what's in here, but I don't want to look at it because I just don't. And right as I see this, dun, 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 let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first item, let me sit this on my lap. The first item I see is called nippies. So I'm assuming these are nipple covers. This is so funny because I actually, they look like they're in the shape of a heart. Let me open them up so we can see. I'm actually filming a video for a dollar store haul and I found some nipple covers there with this exact print and I picked them up because I was like, dude, this is hilarious. So that's exactly what they are. They're super, super, super soft. And, oh, I like that. And this print is really, really pretty. These are from nippies.net and there's a pair in there. And it says save 20% on your order. So I'm assuming if you want to order more, you know, I've never used these and I'm kind of nervous about using them because I don't want to hurt myself, but these are super adorable. Look, they're like little hearts. These are super, super, super cute. So dun dun dun, we're gonna put these on. Not right now, and I'm not gonna show you guys, but I'm excited to have those and try those on. Oh wait, actually hold on. I thought it was just a pair in there, but dun dun dun, there's more in here. Okay, so I don't know what this is for. These are like just cloth, it feels like. I'm not sure. Maybe it's nothing, I don't know. But look at how adorable these ones are. These are like little tiny hearts. Like that is so freaking cute. Look at that. And it's the same, like it feels like velvet. It's super, super, super soft. I love these and I'm super, super excited to have them. So we're gonna definitely try them on and I'll let you guys know how I felt about them. So that was the first thing in here. So that was one. I smell like perfume or something. I don't know. This is awesome. So this is the next thing in here. So this is from Chi and and it's called the OMFG Eyeshadow Palette. So let's open it up. I love this packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I love pretty colors, different designs. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So it is taped up. Hold on. I'm just trying to open this. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, here it goes. So it does come in a little bag. Let's pull this out. Palette looks just like the box. Super cute. All right, let's see what this bad boy looks like. All right, hold on. Oh, I think this slides out. Maybe not. Okay, we are having, oh, there it goes. Okay, so it has a metal, not a metal, a magnet clasp right here. Dun, dun, dun. What does it look like? Is it pretty? I haven't seen it yet. Dun, dun, dun. OMG. These colors are absolutely freaking gorgeous. They're super duper bright. Let me take off the plastic on there. OMG, look at how pretty those colors are. I'm so excited. I don't know. You guys know I'm new to makeup. I don't know a lot of what I'm doing. but I'm so excited. So if you guys see me do a video with some like of these bright eyeshadows and you're like, what did she do to her eyelashes? I mean, what are these called? Eyelids. If you're like, okay, what did she do to her eyelids? Don't judge me. Please help me. I don't know how to use these, but they're super pretty. Okay, so it comes with the brush and it is dual ended. So there's this one. This one's like, that one feels very dense. And let me get the, and there's that one. That one feels more, this one feels more like as if you wanted to use it for like eyeliner or something. Let me see if you guys can see that. Can you see that there? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and then there's that end right there. Looks like that. Da, da, da. All right, so let's swatch a couple of these real quick just because I absolutely love these freaking colors. Okay, so let me go in for this blue one right here. Does it have names? It does say it's only tested on family and friends, so that's good. It says they may be worn sheer or dramatic, wet or dry, and they're cruelty free. So I'm gonna do this one right here. Again, I don't know what the color is, but let me try it. Da, da, da. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Dun, 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 dun. That's such a pretty color. Okay, can you guys see that? Dun, dun, dun. All right, let me swatch. I'm gonna do the purple one right here. And let's see what that looks like. Dun, dun, dun. I can see like there's a powder coming off on the palette. Ooh, look at how pretty that one is. OMG, and they look so soft and like, they're not like cakey or anything. Ooh, I'm so excited about that. All right, let's try one more. Uh-oh, now my finger's purple. Okay, let's try, which one? The green one. This green one right here. I'm gonna try that one. Let me see. Oh, look at, I don't know why I've been wanting a green eyeshadow. That one does look a little bit like it's powdery up here, but we can fix that. Look at that. Oh, those are so effing beautiful. And I can't wait to like try to figure something out with this, you know. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna try it. So I'm super excited about that. So that was item number 2. All right, so the next item, you know what? My hair is like driving me bonkers today. Please excuse me. So the next item in here is, it says Slay All Day Gerard Cosmetics. Let me start over. Gerard Cosmetics. What is English? Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. And this actually doesn't look like it's a sample size. I don't know if it is, but it doesn't look like it. So let me open this up and see what this looks like. Maybe it is. Maybe it's like a trial size. I'm not sure, but this is what the bottle looks like here. And it's a Spray All Day Setting Spray. Let me smell it. Let's see what this smells like. Because, oh, it smells like lemonade. Like peach lemonade. No, peach iced tea. Ooh, this smells really, really good. So, all right, hold on. I can't close this back. Okay, there it goes. All right. So let's see. Let's spray some on our face because why not? Oh, I love the smell of it. Oh my God, this smells so freaking good. Okay, so, and it says it'll keep the skin matte and increase the wear time of your makeup. So that's super exciting. And maybe it's a travel size. I'm not sure. This also says it's cruelty free. So there's that one. That was item number 3. And then the final item in here, which is, here's the final item. Just kidding. These are just the little warmy things. So the final item in here is actually, it says weekly #wispy. 5 pairs of natural eyelashes with glue. This is freaking awesome. So here's the thing. I don't wear eyelashes or fake eyelashes often because I wear contacts and they tend to irritate my eye. So I don't really wear them. I do wear them if there's a special occasion or, you know, something I want to look super fancy, but I usually don't. my daughter has been trying out fake eyelashes and she's kind of learning how to use them. So I'm going to split these with her, let her have a couple pairs, you know, just for her to try them out. But I think this is actually great. And, you know, on here, on this, with the Ricky's Cult Crushes, they list on the card, you know, the specific items, but they don't tell you the price of it. But this one has the price of it of $9.99. Remember, you're only paying $11 total for the box. There's no extra tax or anything like that. So this almost makes up for all the $11 that you spent. So I am in love with this box. I think it was well worth the $11 that we paid. These little nippy things, I'm so excited to freaking try them out. So there's these, you know, the palette, the eyelashes, and the setting spray. I love it. I'm in love with it. You know, you guys let me know. Did you guys receive the same items for your February box? I'll leave the link down below in the comments if you guys want to sign up for it. Also, if you guys have any idea on how I can use this palette, please let me know, because as I said, I am new to the makeup world, so I don't know what I'm doing. So let me know, but I'm super excited about every single one of these items. Again, I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested in signing up. Let me know what you guys think about these items. Have you guys used them? Do you guys have the subscription? Did you get same items, different ones? Leave all your questions, comments, concerns, just random daily thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Please remember to hit the like and the subscribe button that are somewhere down below, and also the little bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And don't forget to remind all your friends and family to also hit the like and the subscribe. Again, thank you guys so much for being here today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!